Hi everyone! Today's webinar will center around a new process here at Faro called photo finish. Four-color process is nothing new for most of you. It has been used on apparel, for example, for years. However, it has never been used on metal. Here at Faro, we have developed a process to allow digital print directly on the smooth surface of metal. This surface can be flat or slightly curved as long as the difference between the highest and lowest points is less than 1/8 of an inch. This process allows us to recreate intricate colored designs at a fraction of the cost of more traditional methods, since this process is so much less labor-intensive and consequently faster. To give you an idea of the price difference we're talking about, here's a price comparison with our 1-inch lapel pins using 2013 prices. Our traditional hand color filled classic 4-color lapel pin sells for $3.10 on an A. For those of you who require a lower price point, we would traditionally suggest our Econo lapel pin without color, which sells for $1.64 on an A. From there, an additional cost is added for each color used. Now, our photo finish lapel pin, complete with 4-color process, sells for $1.65 on an A. As you can see, photo finish is only 1 cent on an A more expensive than our Econo finish. The benefit being with photo finish that you have 4-color process, whilst the Econo pricing reflects no colors at all. Here's another price comparison, this time with 2 square-inch keychains, again using 2013 prices. As you see, our 4-color process keychain sells, our classic 4-color hand-filled keychain sells for $4.56 on an A. Our Econo keychains will sell for $1.97 on an A, again with no color, and the photo finish with 4-color process will sell for $2.11 on an A. Here, the photo finish is 14 cents on an A more expensive than the Econo, but you get the benefits of 4-color process as well as the quick turnaround time due to the process being comparatively simple. Our last comparison is with 2-inch medallions. Our traditional hand color filled classic medallion sells for $5.19 on an A. In this example, we're only using 2 colors. The Econo medallion with no color sells for $2.80 on an A. And the photo finish medallion with 4-color process sells for $3.12 on an A. So here, for 32 cents more on an A than the Econo medallion, we can offer 4-color process and a quicker turnaround time. Please note also that the prices indicated on this slide don't include ribbons. The flexibility of this process has allowed our designers to think outside the box and extend photo finish to products outside the standard Faro offerings. Here, for example, is a bottle opener idea that we came up with while we were brainstorming for a project for the 2012 Calgary Stampede. We wanted to find a more modern product option than our traditional bottle openers, which we'll see in a few slides. You will notice that we did not use a full bleed option here. Our artists will make the decision to use full bleed or not depending on your artwork. While this product image cannot be applied to all logos, the idea here is to have one sharp tip to go under the cap and one pivot so the cap pops out. Here, for example, is something we can use for an Easter promotion under the same concept. Or here's an idea for a construction company. Or again for an airline company. As long as we have something to use to go under the cap and one to use as a pivot, our design team can develop a bottle opener to suit your needs for as low as $4.57 on an A. Here's another product that came about while we were brainstorming for a project where the customer needed something to open beer cans. Our 2-in-1 bottle opener has the traditional opener on the right-hand side, as well as a new tab opener on the left-hand side. Here's how it works. You hold your can firmly in your hand, insert the tip under the tab, and push forward. The product is also a lifesaver for women with manicured nails or for older customers who experience difficulty with opening can tabs. While it appears gimmicky, it's exactly the type of thing that sells in the beer industry. This product starts at $3.32 on an A. Here's our more traditional full grip bottle opener that we mentioned earlier. The whole surface of the bottle shape is printable, not just the label. It's hard to tell on the slide here, but the bottle is also slightly curved to mimic the shape of a bottle. Prices are as low as $4.94 on an A, and that's not including the lanyard as on the image of the slide. This is a project we did as a giveaway for a 25th wedding anniversary. It's a full grip bottle opener with a traditional opener, as well as a hole so that it could have been hung on the wall. This vivid picture is an example of the intricacies we can recreate with photo finish. The full grip bottle opener sells for as low as $4.94 on an A. These are a few other possibilities for different bottle opener styles. The one at the top is our new finger grip bottle opener. Its sleek design has been receiving a lot of attention. It fits comfortably in your hand, allows for its entire surface to be digitally printed, and is hollowed in the center to reduce cost and weight. This product starts at $2.66 on an A. The image in the bottom is a custom option for customers who may want a smaller, more portable option. Here's an application of photo finish to our beloved ornaments. This was introduced late in the holiday season of 2012 as a rush option. The shapes are stock, but the print is customizable. These started at $3.32 on an A. While this is the only ornament discussed in today's webinar, if you're interested in other holiday options, look out for our holiday options webinar later in the year. These bottle opener keychains started a trend here at Faro. Instead of adding a traditional bottle opener to the top of the bottle, we decided to incorporate the opener into the bottle shape itself. Doing this makes the keychain smaller, therefore more portable, and of course less costly. These here are also slightly curved to mimic the look of a bottle. As always with domestic keychains, we can add pound taxi on the back side to promote safety free of charge. These keychains start as low as $2.20 on an A. Adding the pound taxi as well as a bottle opener creates a functionality to your keychain, extending its lifetime. As time goes by, the functionality will be a vital factor in how long this keychain will remain in use. These are other examples of functional keychains, those that open tabs, those that open bottles, and those that open both. Prices of these keychains start at $2.20 on an A. If you're interested in more products suited for breweries or wineries, look out for those upcoming webinars later in the year as well. Now, photo finish can also be applied to keychains that do not have a bottle opener function. As always on domestic production, we suggest to add a free message on the back to either add functionality, like a tire gauge, or to utilize the free advertising space by including your name as a distributor so you're kept top of mind. Photo finish keychains are available as low as $1.67 on an A for 1.5 square inches. This is a revamped, slightly smaller version of our traditional bag tag, good for luggages, golf bags, briefcases, backpacks, computer bags, etc. As you can see, there is a digical on the back for permanent identification. Prices here are as low as $2.99 on an A. This is an example of our purse mirror also being used the photo finish. Please note also that these are slightly curved as well. Now, an important thing to know about photo finish is that it is an unplated finish. While this means it is quicker to produce on our end, it also means that the metal left exposed when we do not use the full bleed option will not be the traditional gold tone, silver tone, or bronze tone metal colors that you are used to. It will be the grayish metallic color that you see here on your slides. Now, to move on with some selling tips for this finish. First of all, photo finish is the 4-color process we are used to, only it's applied to metal. This means we can offer intricate and colored designs at a fraction of the cost of traditional hand-filled methods, as well as a quicker turnaround time. Photo finish uses precision printing and therefore can be adapted to any shape. What this also means is that photo finish serves as an inexpensive alternative to the digical that has seen some limitations with regards to certain shapes. The photo finish is much more adaptable to different areas, including sharp edges. And finally, it offers all the benefits of domestic production, such as short lead time, with the added benefit of a lower cost. As we saw it with our cost comparison, it is the least expensive option for a colored metal piece produced domestically. This concludes the pre-recorded portion of today's webinar. For more information about all things Faro, feel free to contact me at katherind@faroproducts.com or our National Sales Manager at stefanm@faroproducts.com. Thank you very much.